Hi, it's Survival Connor with another video. Today's video is about what's inside a geocache. But before we do that, we should probably talk about what is a geocache. So geocaching is a game played by millions of people around the world. The way it's played is somebody will, or many people, plant containers with different things inside, which we'll go over later. But then they get the coordinates using a GPS, meaning global positioning system, and they either tell it to people or post it on the internet. You see, GPS is used, which can be like a handheld Garmin GPS or even just an app on your phone. And they use a network of satellites to track where you are and where another coordinate that you put in is, and how you can get there the fastest. So basically, using these GPSs, people go hunt for these caches and find them. And so, without further ado, let's go and see what's inside one of these caches. Alright, so we're at my desk here, and we have one of these geocaches. Just a little disclaimer, I made this cache, just so you guys know. But what makes a geocache is that first, sometimes, and I would recommend it if you have space, because geocaches come in all different sizes of containers, from full-on ammo cans to small micro film canisters. So, but any container works. So basically, I have it labeled official geocache. I found this on the internet. I printed it off, laminated it, and then I just filled everything out. So basically, it says, please do not disturb. This is an official game piece. Refer to geocaching.com for details. And what it means by do not disturb is what we call civilians, or what in the geocaching world are called muggles. Well, if a civilian or muggle finds a geocache, they may take it or vandalize it, ruining the game. So basically, I have the cache name, a pickled cache, because that relates to where it's located, which is in a park. Then the contact name is just your full name and your contact info. My name's Connor McKenzie, Survival Connor. You may already know that, but I just taped over the info. But mine, because it's going to be hidden in a park and woods, I have some like camo duct tape to help it blend in. Also, this container I got it at Walmart. It is actually a waterproof container. And the reason why you want your cache to be waterproof is because if it is waterproof, then it can get rained on, snowed on, or whatever. And you want your cache to be able to take a beating. Also, you want to have regular maintenance. You always want to check in on your geocache, because you want to keep it stocked. And we'll talk about how to keep it stocked right now. So let's jump into the cache. So this is what they're going to see when a geocacher opens my cache. So basically, you're going to need a pen. So not all the geocaches will have a pen, but I'm just going to be kind for the first person. This is probably going to get stolen, and I won't put another pen in here when it gets stolen, because I'm going to keep checking in on the cache. But just, to write, in it. So, here we have basically some papers and envelopes. So, and then that's it. Now, I will tell you which of these papers are most important. So, let's get into that. We have 3 papers. The logbook, the for the first to find, and a note. Please read. And all of these were kept in a Ziploc bag just to ensure some more waterproof. To make it more waterproof, it has you can tell there's like a seal on it, but that's not important. What's important is you need these. Out of all of these, if you're only gonna have one paper, which to start off, if you're making a small cache, I recommend just one. It would be the logbook. This is the most important paper in a geocache. And so, but basically, let's read the note. So this note is, if I can open it, I'm just gonna, give me a second. I only have one hand, so sorry. So basically, I recommend having, if you have the room, putting in a note like this. Doesn't have to be exactly like this. I got it off the internet. But something like this. So basically it says I'm gonna read it, just, geocache site, please read. Congratulations, you found it, intentionally or not. What is this hidden container sitting there for? What the heck is this thing doing here with all these things? I'm just gonna say it basically tells you what a geocaching is. If you want to learn more, I basically already talked about it, but you can pause the video now and read that. And then I just have it like, what if you found it by accident, like don't vandalize it, And here's an important thing about geocaching: if you take something, also leave something behind. And what they mean by that is some people put trinkets in their geocache, such as army men, little toys, just any little toys or keychains, and you can trade them in the geocaches. And it's just saying how it's open to everyone, and you can go to, and this website, geocaching.com, is very important. Has tons of geocaches listed on it, and for more information, always go to geocaching.com. So, yeah, this is the, just the note, but, and let's next go into the logbook. So, a logbook is how, users will, how you will know that people have gone to your cache. So when you sign up for like geocaching.com, which is where I'm going to post the coordinates, you will have to create a username, and then that's where your name or username. So I think ours is GeoShark or Shadowwalker 9, I think. Then you're gonna put in the date that you found it, or any comments or concerns about it. Basically, you can just have a blank sheet of paper and people put on their name and then the date, and then the FTF, just to let people know that's the first to find. Now this is optional, just some people do it, and I put it in, is a first to find. A first to find is basically just rewarding whoever finds your cache first. So let's see, I just have it in this envelope. Let me see. Yeah, I just have $1 in there. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's just like a little incentive to, just a nice thing for the first person to find it. Once this is gone, I'm not gonna put in any more money. It's just a little thing. But again, the most important thing is a logbook. Also, I have this like packet thing that I made. You really don't need this. All you actually really need is just a blank sheet of paper, and I recommend writing logbook on the front if it's a little notepad or something. But putting in a writing utensil is really nice in case someone doesn't bring it. They can just write in their name. So I think that's it. Again, that's what's in my geocache. I'm gonna be planning it very soon. But so I hope I might be making a video about making another geocache, but until then, happy hunting. Also, just want to say again, like and subscribe this video for more videos like this one, and have a good day. This is Survival Connor signing off.